So I'm gonna try to take this front end off. Right now the only thing I'm tracking is these two. Those clear, it's missing the bolts there, or clamps. I'm not sure what they are. Then there's two bolts back here, right here, and then I can see another one just in here, but this is actually missing it. But there's another one right up in there, and I think that's it. I don't know if there's one down there. I'm gonna have to troubleshoot. I'm gonna check later on. But and then there's, I don't think I'm gonna take these off. I'm just gonna take this whole piece off together. So if I find any more, I'll point them out. So just realized, yeah, these screws right here, they're not clips, they're screws, and there's a ton of them. So gotta remove that one, that one, that one, that one, that one. So there's what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then inside you have the ones that are sticking out up top that I showed you. So it's that one, and then there's that one right there. And I don't, and it looks like there's another one over here. And I don't see anything else. But if I find something, I'll show you. Actually, what I'm gonna do is, some of those screws are pretty hard to get to, and I'm gonna be replacing this piece anyways because it's rusted out. And so I'm just gonna pull the whole thing out, and it looks like the only screw that's really holding that in that's left is that screw right there. So I don't see anything else anywhere else, so it should come out. And it, same side, the same thing on that side. There's screws right there, but otherwise I don't see anything else. Just noticed two more screws down here. There's that one, and I think this is still connected too. And that piece we're gonna get off, but at least we gotta take this one off for sure. After nearly half a fucking day, I finally got this stuff off. It's a lot harder than I was expecting, mostly because of all the rust And then I didn't expect this to be welded, so then I had to take the screws off and leave this here. But it looks like there's a lot of damage, more than I was expecting. This is messed up. I don't know if I can repair that. Lucy.